And wadhiane mbele gi weche madhi county kind ni tend counties koro obuogo mar loro counties juma manyien kaluwore kod deko mar omenda ma ichwalo ne counties kowuok e piny owacho mamalo. Gavana mar county ma Kakamega men Fernandez Baraza mabende en jakom mar weche omenda e duol mar Gavanas owacho ni nyaka sani pok giyudo omenda maromo bilion 94.4 mane owinjo migi e dwe mar adek nyaka dwe mar abich.
As the chair of Finance Committee of the Council of Governors, I want to put this on record that all the 47 counties, we have written to the National Treasury to fast track the release of all the outstanding arrears for the month of March, April and May amounting to 94.6 billion Kenya shillings. So we are putting the National Treasury on notice that next week the Council of Governors is going to meet so that we reassess our position of shutting down counties. You cannot have arrears going up to 4 months and then you expect counties to fully absorb the amounts by the end of this financial year, which is just almost 1.5 months ago.
Wadong mane counties kanyo ni